Markets are quietly wild today. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to BUBBA'S Update for Monday, the 28th of March. And March Madness turned out to be the usual. The favorites took care of business over the weekend, and we did not have a good weekend. And, of course, St. Peter's got crushed, unfortunately. Great story, but it's over. But when we get to markets, as I say, they're quietly wild. There is not much going on. Volume sucks, but the markets are moving quickly, which could mean something more is coming down the road. In the meantime, as we look, the Dow is down 100. We're long them all. Dow is down 100. NASDAQ is up 60. S&P is flat. Russell's down 122. Whatever. Look, again, this is a shit show, okay, of what's going on. And to me, it's like, as I say before, a great boxer carrying the weeks until they decide to cram them, okay? And I think that's what we can expect to see. Crude oil is getting hammered today. Unfortunately, we are long. But again, it is getting beat down to a pulp, down about $8, but it is off the lows, okay, about $1 off the lows. Gold and silver have made a little bit of a comeback, but they're still under pressure. Look, I think you're looking for 2450 silver and 1900 gold before we'll see the next move up. Those are like the new pivot points, but we are making higher lows. But again, we're short, so we'll see what happens. And, in the platinum arena, we're below 1,000 again, which is pathetic. Okay. We would be short platinum, but we don't trade it anymore. Okay. In the bonds and notes, you're seeing a little bit of a rally. Look, there's some fear. There's some weird things going on with the VXX again today, but the VIX is higher into this market that is mixed. So we'll see where they go from here. The dollar is higher and we're long. Bitcoin is exploding higher and we're short. Copper is higher and we're short. Natural gas is slightly lower, but at 550. Okay. There's a difference there at 550. That's a big difference. Okay. Than where it was. So we're long and it looks pretty good overall. In the grain markets, you're basically down across the board. Corn down 10. We're long. Beans down 25. We're long. Wheat down 50 cents, and we're short. So again, it's kind of a zero sum there, like a washout. But again, I think wheat continues to be very volatile and still in a downtrend versus corn and beans, which I think these natural pullbacks are very healthy when it comes down to it. Okay. In the cattle markets, or protein complex, feeders are flat and interesting considering how much corn is down. And we're short. Fat cattle is down $1 and we're short. I apologize. We're long. Okay. And hogs, again, are once again higher at 108. Now, again, this is up from $1. We told you $1 was a great level of support. We were long anyways. But it's starting to charge higher. And in the softs, cotton is lower. Not a surprise. The exchanges are puking. They changed the limits, but not dramatically lower. We're still at 135. Okay. Coffee is getting crushed. We're short. Sugar is flat. We're long. Cocoa is slightly higher. We're short. And OJ is down and we're long. But it's a quiet, nothing market at the moment. There is not a lot to get overly excited about. I'm going to give you the same lecture I give you almost every day. Just be careful right now. This is not a market to be overly aggressive or to be charging after. The best trade sometimes is watching and no trade. Remember our sponsors scrolling along the bottom. Okay, look, again, they would help put this show together. And obviously, I think the information is pretty good. And in the meantime, it's Capital Trading Group, Trade Your Brokerage, who's going to have cryptocurrencies coming soon. And, of course, Strategic Wealth Preservation, plus our high school program. In the meantime, to all of you, have a great day. And we will see you back here tomorrow with another Bubba's Daily Update. And again, as I tell you, be careful, pick your spots. There is no reason to be overly aggressive here because you can only get yourself into trouble. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow. Bubba's Daily Update.